If you look at this question, I can say this as log to the base 2. See, n log m, we have seen in the synopsis, right? N log m is equal to log of m power n. So I can write log to the base 2 of 16 by 15 to the power of 7 plus log to the base 2 of 25 by 24 to the power of 5 plus log to the base 2 of 81 divided by 80 to the power of 3. Now similarly, can you tell me what is the formula for log m to the base a plus log n to the base a plus log p to the base a? This can be written as log to the base a of mnp. So this answer will be, I can write like this, no, log to the base 2 of log m. See, I have already written the formula and kept log m plus log n plus log p to the base a can be written as log of m into n into p. So log to the base 2 of, I can write 16 to the power 7 divided by 15 to the power 7 into 25 to the power of 5 divided by 24 to the power of 5 multiplied by 81 to the power 3 divided by 80 to the power 3, correct? So I can write log to the base 2, log to the base 2 of, see, 16 can be written as 16 to the power 7 can be written as 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 7, 2 to the power 28, 2 to the power 28, I'll write. 15 to the power 7 can be written as 3 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 7. So 25 to the power of 5 can be written as 5 square to the power of 5, which is nothing but 5 to the power 10. So this is nothing but 5 to the power 10. 24 can be written as 24 to the power of 5 can be written as 3 into 8 to the power of 5, 3 into 2 cube to the power of 5, which can be written as 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 15, which can be written as 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 15 into 3 to the power 81 to the power of 3 can be written as 3 to the power 4 to the power of 3, 3 to the power 12, 3 to the power 12. 80 can be written as 16 into 5. So to the power of 3 this is, which can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power of 3. So this is nothing but 2 to the power 12 into 5 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 12 into 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3. So I can say 5 power 7, 5 power 3, 5 power 10 will get cancelled. 3 power 7, 3 power 5 will get cancelled with 3 power 12. And then what are we left with now? This is nothing but log to the base 2 of 2 to the power 28 divided by 2 to the power 27. That is nothing but log to the base 2 of 2. So log a base a will be equal to 1. So this is the answer. Answer is equal to 1.